Hey everybody, this is Frank Miller, past president of the local KREIA group here in Kentucky. I'm coming to you guys today to talk to you about what's coming up for the next KREIA main meeting on Thursday, August the 24th. They have asked me to be the featured speaker, and the topic that we're going to be talking about is Stop Overthinking. It's a 5-step guide for beginners and skilled entrepreneurs to reach real estate success. So we're going to be talking about all kinds of different ways to scale your business faster, and we're going to show you 4 different ways that I bet that you don't have in your portfolio of ways to make money in real estate investing. So I hope to see all of you guys there on Thursday, August the 24th for the main meeting. But also, we got something really great in store for everyone. So on Saturday, the following Saturday after the main meeting on August the 26th, myself, my friend Harry Borders, and my friend Paul Logsdon will be also talking about real estate transactions and how to scale your business faster. We're going to be talking about topics of how one deal could potentially change your life in real estate investing. Paul Logsdon is going to be talking about the subject to process and how to do it the right way. And then also Harry Borders is going to be talking with us about 1031s and Roth IRAs, how these potentially can change your life in real estate investing. We hope to see all of you guys there. Go to the link below and click on and sign up for Saturday's course, because it's going to be a great, intimate environment and we're all going to learn together. Take care.